the mother. None other than our EPS 1 by Fatima A. Maaya, to our district supervisors, to our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Marites Palasigi, to our Vice Mayor Armada Apiado, with the presence of our OIC Vice Mayor Carlo Apiado, the PTA Federation President of Sultan Kudarat, to our and skills development activities. So to all, let us enjoy. You are all welcome to this activity held here in the wide.
Supervisor for ALS, Ma'am Fatima A. Maaya. A round of applause, please.
Good morning to each and everyone. Congratulations everyone, and congratulations to the teaching force of the Municipality of Isulan ALS teachers. No? Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Job well done. Nakita ko 300 chairs ang i-prepare nila. So nakita ko punong-puno, ang iba nandiyan na sa teacher. Ano yung nasa teacher? Learner din. Enjoy the day! Araw na ito ay araw ng ating literacy. Ibig sabihin, ito yung araw natin. Ito yung araw ng alternative learning system to celebrate the Literacy Day. Ano ang gagawin natin ngayong araw? Ang dami nilang nakaprepare na event. Pwede yun? Huwag tayong mangaway kung talo tayo. Sa susunod, pagbutihin natin. No? First, no, dito sa Isulan, kasi alam ko na iba-iba ang inyong CLC. Iba-iba. So, meron dyan hindi kilala ang katabi o hindi kilala ang ibang learners. Pero sasabihin ko sa inyo, nandito kayo sa mabubuting kamay. Pag kayo ay nag-aral, every time na magkaroon kayo ng session, makumpleto ninyo ang inyong portfolio.
To be given to us by our own OIC Vice Mayor, Honorable Carlo F. Apiado. A round of applause, please.
Maraming salamat, ma'am. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning! Simula kanina pa, mataas masyado yung energy dito sa gymnasium. No, let's give a round of applause sa ating mga guro. Happy World Teachers Day po sa ating mga unsung heroes. My respect and courtesy to our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Crispin E. Sullivan Jr., to our mother sa Department of Education, Sultan Kudarat Division, the Mother Queen, Ma'am Fatima Maaya. Kasi yung anak niya, Princess, ang pangalan, siya ang Queen. To our District Supervisor sa East Isulan District, Dr. Noron Mamaluba, ma'am. Ang representative po ng Barangay Council at Barangay Chairperson ng Barangay Kenram, representative po ni Honorable Araceli Grospe. We have Honorable Mary Jane Ligreso, Chairperson Committee on Education. Sa lahat-lahat po ng mga guro, mga mag-aaral ng alternative learning system, mga parents, friends of ALS, sa atong tanan, maayong aga. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat na celebrating the World Teachers Day from September 5 to October 5. Sa muli, let's give a round of applause to our teachers. Ang mga guro natin, bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Our unsung heroes. And today, we are also celebrating the Municipal Literacy Day 2024. Alam ko po na may mga programs pa after this, may mga activities pa after this opening program. Only confined to a classroom. Hindi lang siya nalimit sa classroom. Kahit mismo sa palengke, may klase ang ALS. It is a right and an opportunity that should be accessible to everyone, regardless of age, background, or circumstances. To all the learners in the ALS community, your determination and commitment are inspiring.
Our program. Again, I am Mayrose L. Camardo
and Jessamine P. Ren
signing off, leaving you with this ALS tagline, one team, one goal, one house. God bless us all.
Sir Jeffrey. Paging Sir Jeffrey Villegas. Sir. Tama na, no? Ganito.